Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2019 Module 2 End of Module Project 1. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Formatting the inventory worksheet. Apply the heading 4 cell style to A1 and merge and center the range A1, F1. Step 2. Adjust column width. Use AutoFit for column A to ensure it fits its content. Step 3. Enhance column headings. Fill A3, F3 with green, accent 1, lighter 60% shading to highlight the headings. Step 4. Consistent shading and borders. Use the Format Painter to copy formatting from A11, F11 to A13, F13. Step 5. Italicize plant names. Apply italics to the range A4, A14 for distinguishing plant names. Step 6. Apply borders. Add an outside border to A3, F14 for clarity. Step 7. Font customization. Change the font color in G1, H1 to black, text 1, lighter 35%. Step 8. Price formatting. Format B4, B14, price paid, with comma format, 2 decimal places. Format F4, F14, sale value, with accounting format. Step 9. Conditional formatting for on-hand values. Highlight D4, D14, on hand less than 15, with yellow fill, dark yellow text. Add a 3 arrows, colored, icon set for visual cues. Step 10. Spelling check. Run spelling check, ignoring plant names, and correct errors, at least one. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.